What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I've dropped it in a bucket of water, and it hasn't been working the same since.
What's not working? The camera?
The camera.
Oh my gosh.
I broke the glass.
Cannot even see anything. Wow. What is that?
What's what?
What is this? Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at that case.
Oh, that's I forgot to clean it last week.
This is just 1 week?
That's just 1 week. Yeah.
Wow.
I work construction.
Don't worry. I got you. You know, I don't like wearing my gloves, but I have to for this repair. What do you guys think? I'm gonna clean this. And we are going to deep clean this phone as well. Do you think we're gonna find any DNA? Now we can work on the camera. Inside looks clean, not bad, only the camera.
Good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy, huh?
We are going to replace the camera. He doesn't have any money to buy a new case, and I don't have any extra case for him to give it to him. So we are just going to clean this one. There are some dog hairs in here. Look at this. Ew. You think he's capping? He said he doesn't have the money. And this case is broken too. Got some DNA. Ew. Corners, always tough. I think dog chewed this side. You got some paint on the case as well. We have some hair going on here. This one is broken, but we will still clean it. Stinks so bad. You can build house with this. There is some pizza left. Oh my gosh. The moment you all have been waiting for. Your phone is ready, sir.
Oh,
Now
wow.
we open the camera. Look at that. Looks brand new now. And the case. This is the case. That's the one. And of course you wanna see the rubber. This was the crazy repair. I know it's broken, but this is the best I can do for you. And here we go. Look at that.
That hasn't been cleaned like that in months.
Months?
Maybe 6 months.
Wow. Well, your phone is ready, sir. There we go. The broken screen.
Wow.
Do I look good?
Look at that. I could actually see and take pictures again.
You do?
Yes, thank you very much.
My pleasure.